Dear student, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am Biplab Kumar Ghosh, assistant teacher of Ghoshgaon High School. Now I am going to continue my English classes. So, come to the point. In the last classes, I discussed for you English second paper, changing narration. So I continue this for you. Now write it on the blackboard, changing narration. Or speech. Dear student, in the last class I discussed how to change direct to indirect narration in assertive sentence, and I want to discuss how to change direct to indirect in interrogative sentence. In the last class we said to you interrogative sentence are two types. One is yes no question and another is WS question. Yes no question and another WS question. Dear student, at first I want to say, you know, yes no question is started by auxiliary verb and WS question is started WS using WS word. So at first I want to discuss yes no question. Now for example, he said to me, are you going? I write a small sentence. Dear student, you notice, he said to me, are you going? Interrogative sentence. This is interrogative sentence. Are you going? Now, I want to change this direct narration. At first you will write reporting verb. Here he said to me. You change this word said to. You know, in the last classes, in assertive sentences, said to change told. Now you know, in the interrogative sentence, this word will change ask or inquire and another word. So we use ask. Ask means to know something. You follow. He said to me, are you going? This is a interrogative sentence. He wanted to know. So we use ask. This is the first form say. So I use asked. Now we use asked. He asked. Here object is me. Dear student, in the assertive sentences we use in the inverted, the middle position of two sentences, we use a conjunction. In assertive sentences it was that, but in the interrogative sentences we use if or whether. Now I use if. So He asked me if this is a conjunction or link clause. Dear students, you notice in the assertive sentences, in the reported speech, the started here first word was subject, but in the interrogative sentences, the first word is auxiliary verb. So, at first you write these words. This is your subject. Now, after the conjunction, I will write subject because we know when we change direct to indirect narration, every sentences will be assertive. So, this is an interrogative sentence. Here form at first is auxiliary verb. Now we change it assertive sentence. So, at first we write subject. Now, in this sentence, subject is you. You, dear student, you know first person and second person in the speech will be changed. So, you will be changed. You follow always second person. Here is second person. Me. 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 This is object. This is the second person. You follow this word me. Me is the first person. Now, I write here I. Dear student, you notice me, this is the object form. In this part, he said to me, this is reporting verb, and this is object, and this is subject. This is object form, and I will write subject form. So, me will change I. Next, you will write this sentence according to tense. Dear student, you notice this is a present continuous tense. Are you going? This is auxiliary verb, the present continuous tenses. So, I will write in the past continuous tense. In the last classes, I discussed how to change. You have heard or learned present indefinite tense will be present past indefinite tense, present continuous tense will be past continuous tense. So, this is the present continuous tense, it will change past continuous tense. So, I was going. And this is full stop. Here was question mark, and it will change full stop because this is the interrogative sentence and this is the assertive sentence. In the narration, when you will change direct to indirect narration, every sentences will be assertive. So, this is interrogative sentence and this is assertive sentence. You follow again the total sentence. He said to me, said to change, asked, and here was conjunction if and you change. Here I will write I and are change. I write was and going is not change. So he asked me if I was going. Dear student, I write to you another sentences for you. Topo, set, to his sister, comma, in the inverted comma, will you go to school? Dear student, you notice Topo said to his sister, will you go to school? This is another interrogative sentence. Now you will change direct to indirect. Suppose you will change said to. Now you will write Topo asked. Topo asked his sister. Now you will write conjunction if. Dear student, you notice here is subject you. You is the second person, always follow this object. So, his sister means a female gender. So, you will write a female pronoun. So, you will write she. You will write she. You notice, I said again, here is a subject, second person, you. You always follow here the object form. So this word is a female word, his sister, female. So I write here she. Now another part, will. Will means future indefinite tense. So I will write future in the past. She would go to school. Full stop. Now you follow total sentence. Topu asked his sister if she would go to school. Full stop. It is assertive form. It was interrogative form. Dear student, this is yes no question. I hope you will understand this. Now I want to say how to change WS question. How to change WS question. The man said to the boy, comma, what are you doing? What are you doing? Dear student, you notice in these sentences, reporting verb and reported speech. In the reported speech, the first word is interrogative pronoun. You notice, I said again, the first word is interrogative pronoun and the second word is auxiliary verb. What is the difference of yes no question and WS question? You have already know. Yes no question is first word is auxiliary verb and WS question is first word is WS word. So we want to change this sentence. At first we follow the same rule of interrogative sentence. Suppose the The man said to will change, asked. One object the boy. Dear student, in the last sentences, I write in the conjunction if, but I do not write if, because here the first word is relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun. So I want to write this word. We do not write if. When the sentence will be WS word, then I will write WS word in the conjunction place. So I write what. What. Now you notice here is subject you. You is the second person, follow the boy. So the boy is the third person's singular number. So I will write here the pronoun of the boy, he. Now here is auxiliary verb are and here is ing. So this is present continuous tense and I will write past continuous tense. He was doing. Full stop. Here was interrogative sentence and this is assertive form. Dear student, I write another sentence for you. He said to me, dear student, notice, he said to me, where are you going? You know, this is interrogative sentence and this is the first word, interrogative pronoun. So, you will write this answer, he asked me. Now you will write where. You cannot write if because this is not yes no question, this is WS question. When you will see WS question, then you will write WS word in the conjunction. So he asked me where. Now you will change you will be I because you follow this word me. This is the first person, this is subject, this is object. I will change this object and it will be I. Next, I was going. Full stop. So, you notice I said again full sentence. He asked me where I was going. I will change was. Dear student, I think you can understand how to change yes no question and WS question. Now, I want to say another things to you. He said to me, husband is this. Dear students, you notice another sentence. In the last sentence or last two sentences, I write WS question, and now I have written another WS question, but in these sentences are two different. Here I say in the last sentences in WS question, here was only WS word and then was auxiliary verb. But in the sentences, at first I write WS word and then a noun word. WS word and then I write noun word and then the auxiliary verb and another. So this is the difference. I want to say for you, this is another type of sentence where you see after the WS word noun, it will be interrogative adjective. So when you will change this sentence, it will be another type. I write to you, you notice this word is changed. He asked me, and it will conjunction hose pen. This is the difference. In the last sentences, I write in the conjunction place only one word. Now I write two words. This is the difference. Because this two word is one part. Hose pen. You will not part hose and pen. This is the one word, hose pen. So you will write in the conjunction place this word, hose pen, and you will write the previous rule. Now you will this word, because this is the subject, this it will change that. That was. Full stop. Dear student, I say to you again in the different word, because there are two words and the previous sentences only one word. Now you will write two words together, and after you will change another words. So I said again total sentence. He asked me who spelled that was. It will change was. I said to again another example. So, dear student, I want to say this is the narration part is a very long part. We cannot discuss all type of sentences in one or two classes. So I want to continue this changing narration or speech. I hope you will join us and you will join the next class. So I will discuss the next class, next sentences, exclamatory and optative sentence and imperative sentences. So till then everybody will be well and thank you very much.